tell me you got that on video.
I did.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Well, y'all, we going to Clean Culture and OKQ meet. This is actually my first time taking the E36 on the highway. Some nerves. We pulling off from the gas station. If I can find my bike point. Hopefully this Chrysler not coming this way. I'm kind of nervous right now. Haven't been on the highway yet. Haven't really went into 5th gear yet. I don't even know if I'm gonna get into 5th gear. I might just stay in 4th when we get on the highway, but hopefully there's not a lot of traffic. Let's see. Shakes though, y'all can see. They call it the shakes, but it's the bearing. It's the bearing in the steering rack, the steering column that needs to get replaced. It's old. You know, this is a 24-year-old car, gang. So. Neutral. Shit, y'all. We're merging. Get over again. Now we in 4th when we cruising. We good. We good. Come on, gang, let's rock. Go up to 4th and I'm gonna rev max back into 3rd. Y'all ready? Woo! Oh shit! Woo! My boy got the Audi trying to slide. See, I'm not gonna race right now. an end. We're making it home. We made it home. We made it all the way to Lawrenceville and back in the E36, gang. No problems. Taking the exit now. Braking. I'm gonna brake, then clutch in, then rev match. I'm gonna brake, then rev match. I'm braking. I'm braking. Good. That was perfect. One more down into second. Coast. I was in third gear just then. I just clutched in and coasted. Now I'm gonna go to first gear, come up on the clutch a little bit, light gas, get the car moving, come off the clutch slowly. No jerk there. First gear, shift into second, come off the clutch, little jerk there, slight jerk there. Okay, we're in second gear. You guys hear the car popping. You got to hear the car popping. I'm just gonna cruise this hill down. I got cars on my ass, but I don't give a fuck about them. They're gonna listen to this car. Oh, pothole. Oh my God, pothole. Now I'm gonna go up into third. That was perfect. That was a perfect shift. No, you didn't feel the shift there. It's good shifts when you don't feel the shift. When I'm jerking, my passenger princess here feels every jerk and shift. It's a bad shift. So here we are. I'm gonna downshift again at the second right now. You didn't feel that shift. There was no jerk there. You didn't feel anything. Did you feel that?
No, I didn't feel anything.
Come on, like they don't know. They don't know we really out here. Like. First gear, down into second. Slight jerk there. Second gear, we're just cruising on this hill. Oh! I almost just macked. Y'all saw that, but I almost just macked. I don't know if it came through on the footage or not, but that was almost very bad. Clutch in, coast. Back into first gear. Clutch in, back into first. Give it some gas. Whoever was behind me saw that. It was like, what the fuck? He almost just crashed. There it is, gang. We're making it back to the crib. Appreciate y'all for tapping in on this video, gang. We made it on the highway in the E36. If you're new to the channel, y'all already know what to do, man. Subscribe to the channel. 1K subscribers, we on the way. We finna hit it this month. I'm counting on it. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. One more downshift for good measures. Subscribe to the channel, gang. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy 6, and we out.